Would you believe that you can wear this wig straight? Yep. So this is a little wet and wavy wig sent from UNice Hair. All the links and details will be listed in my description box. But let's get into this wig, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before it's been wet and show you how it straightens and all that good stuff. But yes, this is the whole wig, curly. And I actually love her curly. I have a wig from UNice Hair. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's hop straight into the wig. This is the wig right here. Now they say this is from straight to curly, like it can get straight and then curl. I don't know, because this wig is really silky. So I am going to apply this wig so you can see what it looks like straight. This wig is this silky and it can curl. That's crazy. Because you know how the wigs have a little texture, like when it goes from straight to curly, it got a little texture in it. This is silky. It is 24 inches. It also has that drawstring, so you can wear this glueless if you like. This is what it looks like on. Now the hairline is given round, like really round. And this is 24 inches on me. Do you think that I'm going to wear this glueless? So I'm going to go ahead and add some finishing powder to the lace. Alright, so let's see. I'm not even gonna lie, I did have to go back and look at my email because I'm like, do y'all see how silky this hair is? I was wondering, like, is this really gonna wave up? So it is the wet and wavy hair. So we're about to see. I'm gonna go in and straighten it as if I would just wear this hair straight. I did go in and curl it just to see if it would curl or hold the curl at least, and it did. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, let's see what the hairline looks like. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna curl the other side just to make it even. Alright, y'all, this is what it looks like straight. So I did go in and straighten the hair. Now I added some curls to the front just to see if this wig will hold a curl, and in fact it did. So if you want to curl it, put some curls in it, straighten it, you can. It is a really nice density. I'm gonna show you all the hair to the back. I did have to pluck the hairline a little bit. I didn't go too crazy, but I just felt like the hairline was a little bit too round for me. So I did go in and just pluck it just a little. Y'all, don't mind my plant. It's very sad. That thing is dying. as you can see, it definitely did what it was supposed to do. This is the side wet, and this is the side straight and dry. This is what the wig looks like, completely curly. And I love the curls on this. I probably would prefer it being curl over being straight, just my preference. But you definitely can wear straight and you definitely can wear curly. As you can see, I did go in and add baby hairs just because I did go in and fix up the edges a little bit more, just because I wasn't a fan of the hairline. But besides that, you can wear the hairline like it comes. But I will say it is a really nice density, straight or curly. I really like it curly. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. If you are interested, all the links and details will be listed in my description box. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch y'all in my next video.